Welcome to Eucommia ilmoides, otherwise known as Zhong in Chinese. Forgive my pronunciation. This is an amazing herb, and it is absolutely well known and famous for treating low back pain and even knee pain. Of course, it does other things as well. Definitely want to check out our website for more information, or our herb course on Eucommia. Get recipes, all kinds of information on how to use it and benefit from it. But here, we're going to look at, in particular, from a Western and a traditional Chinese medicine perspective, how this herb does, in fact, very effectively help heal and soothe low back pain and knee pain. So from a Western standpoint, Eucommia contains many compounds, but in particular this iridoid glycoside Eucommia, right? Now, these types of glycosides are, of which Eucommia is one of the examples, but these types of glycosides are famous for being really powerful antioxidants. So that means they're going to be anti-inflammatory. They're considered to have even more than the flavonoids or polyphenols that can be found in fruits, green tea, right? So this packs a power punch. And Eucommia, as a type of this kind of glycoside, is well-known anti-inflammatory, protecting the liver, anti-aging. These are all the things that Eucommia is really good at. And even being anti-fibrotic, right? So no fibroids. So the seeds, the leaves, all of it can be used, but most typically it's the bark that is used. Now, in traditional Chinese medicine, where this herb is most famous, it is one of the outstanding examples of a yin and yang tonic. So it's really balanced, and this makes it really popular to put in many, many formulas, because in traditional Chinese medicine herbology, we're always looking to balance herbs, heighten their potentiality, counterbalance. Some herbs are really good in an isolated way, and so you'll mix them with other herbs to broaden their spectrum. Some can be too yang or too yin, so you'll bring in other herbs to balance, and Eucommia comes in at a balanced place. And even though this is so, it is not used as frequently as a tonify yin herb as it is a tonify yang herb. And this is where it really gets put in some of the best known formulas for, again, this idea of arthritis, where qi is blocked, right? Qi is energy and it needs to flow. One of the key properties of yang is it moves, it transforms. So when that function gets stuck, right? And you get aches and pains and difficulty moving the legs and knee pain, low back pain, dribbling, even restless fetus, although a little bit more of the yin properties are going to come in there to help soothe and anchor, can help prevent miscarriage, right? This is an extraordinary herb. It's one of the few tonic herbs in Chinese medicine, and even actually few of any herbs, that is both powerful enough, balanced enough, and broad spectrum enough that it is often even used alone, right? Again, in traditional Chinese medicine, we're often blending herbs to counterbalance if it's too yin or too yang, or maybe it's a great herb, but it really hits the digestive system more, and we want something that's going to hit the kidney system a little bit more. And in Oriental medicine, the kidneys aren't just the kidney organs. It's an entire energetic system that moves up and down through the body and its meridians. And it's considered to be the source of yin and yang in the body. So yin is everything that cools and moistens and nourishes. And yang is everything that moves and protects, right? So think a strong immune system, transforms, right? So making sure that your food and breath, things are moving and transforming in your body, getting changed into blood, things like that. So this is an excellent herb for the elderly, to help maintain bone health, certainly post-menopausal women to maintain bone health, very, very good, prevent osteoporosis, constricted joints. There was a study done back in 2013 in the Journal of Experimental and Therapeutic Medicine, and it pointed out that Eucommia was found to demonstrate actual cartilage protecting effects, right? So you can see how this is a great herb for all those achy joints and pains, and it's why this herb is really quite famous for that. Really promotes healing of damaged tissues. So there you go. Have a question or comment, please leave it below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't hesitate to take our healing herb course on Eucommia to find out more about what it can do and how to use it. And certainly visit our website at whiterabbitinstituteofhealing.com.